So we have a lot of kale in our yard. I've done a lot of like the olive oil, salt, and then you make kale chips with it. And that's mediocre, has not been my favorite. So I've not tried this recipe, but it sounded a little bit interesting. So if you have kale in your yard, maybe you'll want to give it a try. So what I have here is a whole tablespoon of tahini. Tahini is sesame seeds that are ground up like peanut butter. Then it calls for a tablespoon of lime juice. And the last two items is a teaspoon of chili powder and a teaspoon of garlic powder, which I had mixed together here. And then it suggests that you just massage all this into your kale. Might I add that I started the oven a little bit ago, and it's at 250, and it's been that way for a while. And then once we get this into the kale, we're going to pull it out in about 20 to 25 minutes, and we'll just see how it is. So after I massaged the ingredients into the kale, I laid it out on parchment paper, a pinch of salt spread across, went in a 250-degree oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. You can see they're dry, and I have to say, it tastes a whole lot better than a little olive oil and a pinch of salt. You're gonna have to try this if you like kale chips.